Ever wondered which industries create the most billionaires? I remember when I was a kid, I used to dream about what it would be like to be a billionaire. The luxurious lifestyle, the freedom, the power to change the world, it all seemed so out of reach. But as I grew up, I started noticing a pattern. The richest people in the world often came from a few key industries. Stick around till the end of this video because today we are diving into another exciting topic from our business segment, which is 10 industries that are most likely to turn you into a billionaire. Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, where we help you unlock the secrets to entrepreneurial success. I'm Molly, your host, so let's get started. Number 1. Technology. First up, technology. Think of names like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg. The tech industry is a goldmine for innovation. Did you know that 14 out of the top 20 richest people in the world made their fortunes in tech? Companies like Microsoft, Tesla, and Facebook revolutionized how we live, work, and communicate. If you have a groundbreaking idea, tech is the way to go. Number 2. Finance and investments. And here's the runner-up, finance and investments. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, made his billions here. It's about understanding markets, making smart investments, and sometimes a bit of risk-taking. Hedge funds, private equity, and venture capital are major players in this field. Imagine turning small investments into massive profits. Sounds enticing, right? Number 3. Real estate. Real estate is another big one. Think Donald Trump or the numerous billionaires who own skyscrapers, malls, and luxury resorts. Real estate can be incredibly lucrative, especially in booming markets. The key is to buy low, improve the property, and sell high. Plus, rental income can provide steady cash flow. Number 4. Healthcare. Healthcare is booming too. With advancements in biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices, this industry is not just about helping people, it's also about massive profits. Companies like Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer have made their founders incredibly wealthy. The best part is there's always a demand for better health solutions. Number 5. Retail. Retail is still a powerhouse. Think Jeff Bezos with Amazon or the Walton family with Walmart. The retail industry adapts quickly to consumer needs, whether through physical stores or online platforms. It's all about providing what people need and want, efficiently and affordably. Number 6. Energy. Energy is another key industry. Oil tycoons and renewable energy innovators alike have made billions here. From traditional oil and gas to wind, solar, and other renewables, energy powers our world and fuels big fortunes. Companies like ExxonMobil and Tesla show the range of opportunities. Number 7. Media and entertainment. Media and entertainment create stars and moguls. Think of Disney, Netflix, or even YouTube influencers. The entertainment industry is vast. Movies, music, sports, and streaming services are just a few ways to make it big. If you can captivate an audience, you can monetize it. Number 8. Manufacturing. Manufacturing might not sound glamorous, but it's incredibly profitable. Industrial giants like the Koch brothers made their fortune producing everything from chemicals to consumer goods. Innovation in manufacturing processes can also lead to huge savings and profits. Number 9. Telecommunications. Telecommunications is crucial in our connected world. Giants like AT&T, Verizon, and Vodafone have made massive fortunes by connecting people globally. With the rise of 5G and constant demand for better communication technology, this industry is ripe with opportunities. Number 10. Food and beverage. Finally, food and beverage. From fast food chains to luxury beverages, this industry is a staple of everyday life. Brands like Coca-Cola, Nestle, and McDonald's have turned their founders into billionaires by catering to our most basic need, food. And there you have it, 10 industries that can turn you into a billionaire. Which one do you find most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. And as you all know, for sticking around all the way to the end, you have earned a bonus. Number 11. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. This relatively new industry has already minted several billionaires. Think of people like Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, or Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance. The rapid growth and volatility of cryptocurrencies offer both high risks and high rewards. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, new opportunities will emerge in decentralized finance and other blockchain-based applications. To sum it up, while becoming a billionaire requires innovation, hard work, and sometimes a bit of luck, these industries offer the most fertile ground for growing your wealth. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an investor, focusing on these sectors could be your ticket to joining the Billionaire Club. Now it's time for an important announcement for all our millionaires here. Now you can access our videos in a well-maintained order made through playlists on our channel. Do check it out. Comments if you like what we do, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more insights into the world of wealth. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and hustling hard.